new space program, which will send a family of rats.
Yes, Veronica. It's true. Your ex-husband is still alive and living in Cairo.
4 and slide, 2, 3, 4 and reach, 2, 3, 4 and slide.
And now we're using the rats. One NASA authority said,
Sometimes I cry in the shower.
Ha! You're not fooling anyone. All you've ever cared about is...
Your glutes! You feeling a good burn in there? Now we're gonna start working your thighs.
And rub them down with some olive oil. That's nice. Now we're ready to put this into the oven.
The life cycle of salmon starts in fresh water. At first, the eggs from the females are mixed with milk from the males to produce fertilized eggs. These eggs are incubated at a steady temperature till hatching, known as alevins. These tiny fish are sustained by attached yolk sac they carry out for several weeks until they are able to feed themselves. At this point, we call them fry, and we begin feeding a special diet. Throughout their life, they will be fed a pellet diet that will keep them healthy and growing. Once the fish have grown 6 grams, they are transferred to an open net cage in a lake, and then once they reach 60 to 80 grams, they undergo a small stage where they are ready to switch to salt water. We transfer our fish in large tanks and in trucks and sometimes boats, and gradually increase the salinity till they arrive at sea. The fish spend the remaining days in net pens maturing to adult salmon. Tomorrow we will be hosting an open house for the public at your local salmon fish farms. See you there.